Nestled in northern Europe, Denmark is a country where past and present blend with quiet elegance. It sits between the North and Baltic Seas, linking mainland Europe with Scandinavia. Known for its clean, modern design and colourful harbours, Denmark offers more than just pretty views. It consistently ranks among the happiest countries in the world. This small nation combines smart city planning, a deep respect for nature, and a cozy lifestyle called hygge. With its peaceful coastlines, bike-friendly streets, and thoughtful way of life, Denmark invites us to explore a model of modern living shaped by tradition. Denmark sits in northern Europe, beside its Scandinavian neighbours Norway and Sweden. But unlike their rugged mountains, Denmark is mostly flat. Its geography includes the mainland peninsula of Jutland and over 400 islands scattered across the sea. The largest of these islands are Zealand, home to the capital city Copenhagen and Funen. With its long coastline, no place in Denmark is more than an hour's drive from the sea. Bridges connect many parts of the country, like the famous Öresund Bridge that links Denmark to Sweden. These features make Denmark both connected and coastal, a land shaped by water, wind, and centuries of careful design. Denmark's natural beauty is calm and peaceful. Instead of towering mountains, you'll feel gentle breezes across soft hills, hear birdsong drifting over low forests, and see golden fields stretching to the horizon. Sandy beaches stretch along the coasts, especially on the North Sea and Baltic shores. Nature is carefully protected here, with national parks like Thai and Molsbjerge offering clean air and quiet trails. Denmark is also a global leader in green energy. The strong coastal winds power thousands of turbines across the landscape and even out at sea. Wind energy now supplies most of the country's electricity. In Denmark, caring for nature isn't just a goal. It's a way of life that shapes both the countryside and the cities. Danish culture is rooted in simplicity, comfort, and connection. One word captures this best: hygge, a cozy feeling created by soft lighting, warm drinks, and time with loved ones. It's more than a trend, it's a way of life. This calm, thoughtful spirit is also seen in Denmark's world-famous design. Homes and public spaces often feature clean lines, natural light, and sleek furniture that's both stylish and practical. Listen to the creak of wooden ships at Copenhagen's Nyhavn harbour, where colourful buildings glow against the water and cafes spill warm light onto the cobblestones. Tradition runs deep here too. Denmark's Viking past is proudly remembered through museums, ship replicas, and festivals. Folk dancing, traditional music, and national costumes are still celebrated at local events. Modern and ancient, Denmark's culture honors history while embracing innovation. Whether it's through a cozy home or a grand parade, Danish culture brings people together in meaningful, beautiful ways. Life in Denmark is known for being balanced, relaxed, and deeply connected to community. The country often tops global happiness rankings thanks to strong social support, low stress, and a focus on well-being. Danish cities are designed for people, not just cars. Biking is a favorite way to get around, with safe bike lanes stretching through towns and countryside alike. Public spaces are clean, open, and shared, making it easy for families and neighbors to gather. So pack your bike helmet and your sense of wonder. Denmark is waiting. Equality is a key value in Danish society. Education and healthcare are free, and everyone has access to support if they need it. This strong social safety net helps people feel secure and valued. In Denmark, a good life means more than success. It means feeling at home together. Denmark has one of the world's strongest and most stable economies. It's a high-income country with a well-developed welfare system that ensures support for all citizens. Taxes may be high, but they fund top-quality public services like healthcare, education, and public transport. This creates a society that's both efficient and fair. Innovation plays a big role in Denmark's success. The country is a leader in green technology, especially wind energy. Danish companies also make breakthroughs in pharmaceuticals, digital design, and sustainable building. Copenhagen, the capital, is known as a hub for startups and smart city projects. While the cost of living can be high, especially in cities, the quality of life is excellent. People enjoy clean surroundings, dependable services, and a strong sense of social trust. Denmark's history begins with the Vikings, seafaring warriors and traders who explored and settled across Europe over 1,000 years ago. Their legacy is still felt today, from ancient runestones to modern festivals. In the Middle Ages, Denmark was a powerful kingdom and a key part of the Kalmar Union, which united Denmark, Norway and Sweden under one crown. Over time, Denmark shifted toward peace and diplomacy. In the 20th century, it remained neutral in World War I, but was occupied by Nazi Germany during World War II. Despite this, the Danish resistance helped protect many Jewish citizens. After the war, Denmark rebuilt with a focus on democracy and welfare. Today, it stands as a modern, peaceful nation with deep historical roots, proud of its past and prepared for the future. Denmark is both a constitutional monarchy and a parliamentary democracy. This means the country has a royal family, but elected officials run the government. The Queen, currently Queen Margrethe II, serves as a symbolic leader. She represents national unity and takes part in public ceremonies, but she does not make laws or decisions. Denmark is known for progressive social policies. These include strong support for education, healthcare, and equal rights. Citizens enjoy freedoms, fair laws, and the chance to shape their society through voting. Trust in government and public institutions is very high. People believe in working together for the common good. In Denmark, democracy isn't just a system, it's a shared responsibility built on fairness and mutual respect. Denmark offers a blend of fairy tale charm and modern adventure. In Copenhagen, visitors flock to Tivoli Gardens, one of the world's oldest amusement parks, glowing with lights and gardens. Nearby, Nyhavn's colourful harbour buildings and boats make it a perfect spot for a stroll. And at the water's edge, the statue of the Little Mermaid honours Denmark's famous storyteller, Hans Christian Andersen. Outside the capital, travellers can explore grand castles like Kronborg, known as Hamlet's Castle, or wander through peaceful coastal towns. Families often head to Legoland in Billund, where creativity comes to life in brick form. With hundreds of islands, Denmark is ideal for island hopping. Many enjoy bike tours across bridges and scenic trails. Everywhere you go, Danish hospitality and clean design make the journey feel both relaxed and inspiring. Denmark is one of the safest countries in the world. Crime rates are very low and people generally trust one another as well as the authorities. Cities are clean, well organized, and designed with safety in mind. Public transport is reliable and secure even at night. Streets are well lit, and it's common to see children walking or biking to school. Whether you're in a small village or the capital city, Denmark feels welcoming, peaceful, and safe for everyone. Education in Denmark is free and highly valued. Schools encourage creativity, problem-solving, and independent thinking rather than just memorizing facts. Students learn in relaxed environments, often with group work and open discussions. Danish universities also rank well globally, attracting both locals and international students. Infrastructure is just as impressive. Public transport is clean, efficient, and easy to use, with buses, trains, and bike lanes connecting the country. Cities are planned with people and the planet in mind, featuring green spaces, sustainable buildings, and safe streets. In Denmark, smart design helps learning and daily life run smoothly. Denmark is a country where the old and the new live side by side. Viking history stands beside cutting-edge design. Ancient castles watch over smart green cities. This harmony between tradition and modernity is at the heart of Danish life. People value balance between work and rest, community and self, city and nature. Innovation thrives here, but never at the cost of human comfort or the environment. In every part of life, Denmark shows that progress can be thoughtful and simplicity can be powerful. In Denmark, the simple life is the good life. It's a small country with big ideas, and a peaceful way of living them out.